Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to send a View Once video on WhatsApp. This feature has been updated, making it easier than ever to share those special moments without leaving a permanent digital footprint. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app. Make sure you're running the latest version to access all the cool features. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to send your video. This can be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. It's perfect for sharing those hilarious moments with your best friend, or that adorable video of your pet with the family group. Now, look for the attachment icon. It's usually located near the text input field and looks like a paperclip or a plus sign. Tap on it to bring up your sharing options. From the menu that pops up, select Gallery. This will allow you to choose from videos you've already recorded and saved on your device. Scroll through and find that perfect video you want to share. Here's where the magic happens. After selecting your video, you'll see a small icon near the Send button that looks like a one inside a circle. This is the View Once icon. Tap on it and you'll notice it turns blue, indicating that View Once mode is activated. Before you hit send, take a moment to double-check that you've selected the right video and that the View Once icon is blue. Remember, once you send it, there's no going back. Finally, when you're ready, tap the send button. Your video will be on its way, set to disappear after the recipient has viewed it once. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a View Once video on WhatsApp. It's a great way to share those spontaneous, fleeting moments without cluttering up your friend's phone storage. Just remember, while it adds an extra layer of privacy, it's always wise to be mindful of what you're sending. Happy chatting!